What is up, guys? Brand new day, back on the streets, on foot with sweatpants and boots. We left our regular clothes and our regular shoes in the car. We're gonna hit the gym after we eat breakfast. All right, guys, we gotta let the windshield thaw out. We're gonna get out, scrape it real quick. We're gonna go over to the gym. All right, guys, we found a gym inside of another hotel. About to go in here and see if we can go in it. All right, guys, we just found the gym. This is got everything we need. Now we just gotta find a light switch. Doesn't look like many people use it. All right, the gym is done. We checked out. Now we're about to go explore. All right, guys, we just arrived at a black sand beach. It starts with an R. I can't pronounce it. Check it out. It's all lava rock. Lava sand. They're like tiny, 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 tiny little pebbles. So on ChatGPT, when I was looking up the itinerary for this place, it was saying stay far, far from the waves. This beach has what they call a sneaker wave, and you saw like how big that shore break was all of a sudden. But apparently in August of 2025, a little girl died here. It's happened, I think, a few times, but a little girl was like right over here, and the wave came and it grabbed her, and I guess the rip current was so strong it pulled her out, and 4 people tried to get to her. They couldn't get to her. They even said they threw like a rope with a buoy on it, and like 4 or 5 men couldn't pull the buoy back in. That's how strong the current was pulling it back out. Man, that's horrific. But you can see here, look at this. You can't, the camera's not really doing it justice. But most of the land in Iceland is privately owned. Like, this is owned by some farmers that have been farming this area for like 200 years. Man, check this out. See those columns? See the way they look? They're called basalt, B-A-S-A-L-T, columns. They form like that when lava cools and it cracks into, I think they call it columnar jointing. I can't pronounce it. But basically lava rock that cooled. Yeah, I bet the kid's probably hanging out right here. You know, it looks like you could just go right down here, and then in 2 seconds. That's a blue whalebone. Coffee. Check out this sauce for the hot dogs. What do they call these again in Iceland? What do they call these? You know, like we call them hot dogs.
It's like pilsu. I can show you.
Pilsu. Oh, you got it wrapped in bacon.
Here.
Pilsu. Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, guys, I'm filling up on gas, and then we're heading to the Glacier Lagoon and Diamond Beach. found where the trolls live. See how the ground looks so weird? Look, it's all covered in moss. These are all lava fields. Moss covered lava fields. It goes on for miles. We stopped off at a gas station. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere right now. I'm not sure exactly where we are, but we're gonna get some food. All right, they're making our sandwiches. About to get these bottles, go fill them up, and then get back on the streets. All right, we got our food. We're getting back on the streets. Heading to Glacier Lagoon.
Take the next right.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue for 51 kilometers.
Ham, egg, and cheese. Check this out. Man, that's wild. This is Glacier Lagoon. We're gonna go in there and check it out closer.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
All right, guys, we've arrived at Glacier Lagoon. The sun's about to set. It's about 4 p.m. All right, we're back in the car now. We're gonna go check out Glacier Beach. I mean, they call it Diamond Beach, not Glacier Beach. GMC. We're going right across the street, right there. Diamond Beach. All right, we made it. The ground is like solid ice. All right, guys, we made it to Diamond Beach. Oh, check it out. That's not a rock. This sand, this lava dust or whatever the hell it is really ground up, like straight powder. Man, this is awesome. They say you can see seals here a lot, and they come through here. But look, these are all broken up icebergs, pieces of glacier. Wonder how cold the water is. There's one out there. I don't know if you can see it. It's the contrast between the black and the ice. This is wild, man. This is really cool. We're not in Florida anymore, that's for sure. But look how it's hollowed out in the middle. Yeah. All right, goodbye glaciers, goodbye Diamond Beach. Now we gotta go find our hotel. All right, we've made it to the hotel. If you guys are wondering what the hotel is, it's called Foss Hotel, F-O-S-S Hotel, Glacier Lagoon. Foss Hotel, Glacier Lagoon. It looks pretty cool. We're about to go check it out. All right, guys, we're in the room. We got everything we need. All the rooms, they're actually all identical compared to pretty much all the hotels except for the design stuff. But the bed layouts, check this out. We're in the middle of nowhere. South Coast, Iceland. That's the ocean out there. Oh, you can't see it. Alright guys, we just took showers. Now we're about to go get something to eat. We're gonna check out this hotel. Alright, they just brought us bread with butter, this salad, and this is honey glazed cheese.